You know you're a real adult when you get excited about getting a new mattress, but guys, oh my gosh, I am so excited about my new Nell mattress. My seasonal allergies have been so bad. If you can't tell in my voice, I'm really congested right now. And my allergist recommended I get a new bedding situation because mattresses and old mattress toppers in particular are breeding grounds for dust mites. And this mattress is 4 times the coils than other high-end brands. It's allergen friendly, super breathable, and it just has the perfect balance of like firm and softness with the pillow top layer, but also enough structure to support your back and last actually a lifetime because they have a lifetime warranty. It came right to my door in a box and I set it up all by myself, which isn't saying that much, but I was really proud of myself. If you're looking for a major upgrade that's not actually a huge investment, definitely check out Nell's Japanese mattresses because you will not regret it and you'll feel like a real adult, I promise.